Hello, Tool Talk. I've been given a QUIKCORE Starter Kit, an adapter set, that initially was no good to me because I'm cheap and I bought a £20 bit set from eBay that didn't have a normal universal thread on it. So I wised up, got a proper normal set. It fits, no problem. Didn't ever think that would be a problem, but something to bear in mind if you're as tight as me. Yeah, I did have a bit of a bias to the product before I got it because I honestly love the concept. I'm quite weak, so it'd take me a good 10-15 minutes after a decent sized core just to prise the bit off the shaft itself. But I've attached my first impressions after having used it for the first hole, which admittedly was on a metre thick stone wall at a country cottage, and it was pretty horrible. It took a little over a day, all in all. Yeah, so I've attached my raw first impression just after having used it for the first time, giving it a bit of a trial by fire, and hopefully you can see what you think. So, I've sent this bad boy through a ridiculous amount of stone wall, and usually, without the QUIKCORE bit, this would be absolutely welded and fused in place, like I haven't used it on the extension bit there. So, I am only a little guy, but that would be a ridiculous amount of effort. Sorry, customer just messaged me there on the drop down. So let's give this a go. If I just pop out the retaining clip with a humble pen, show you how easy it is. Boom. That's it. Cool bits off. Whereas usually, Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's going nowhere. And you can plug and play, do that as many times as you want, pop a new bit on. I wish I knew about these sooner, to be honest. And I will be buying more of them to put on all of my bit heads, although I really only use 100mm. They are very nifty. Can't get enough of that. Top marks for me. And I think that's probably even holding up better than the shank of my arbor.